Hi folks, I'm Gary Dunshee with Big Bend Saddlery. This month's tack tips for all you dally ropers out there that use rubber on your horns. Little maintenance tip for you there. Show you an example here. This saddle came in and it had about 243 rubber rings around it that had been, dallies had run on it and they'd exploded and more put on top of it, you know, the typical deal. And just add some more rubber on top of it and it'll be good. Well, it is until it's not. So just as a maintenance deal, if you've roped a bunch and you use rubber, about once a month you ought to take everything off. We just cut the rubber off this horn. Underneath was this Latigo horn wrap. You take it off. Once you get it off, you can see what's underneath there. And there's a burn probably 5/8 of an inch thick that goes 5/8 of an inch deep that goes back into the horn. It's burned through 2 layers of leather, 1 layer of rawhide, and is working on the metal on the horn now. Your strength in your saddle is in the rawhide that covers it. So once you've damaged the rawhide or completely eliminated it, in this case, you've lost almost all of the strength that your horn had. If something happens now and this gets a lick on the front of it, it's not going to take much to break it. But all you have to do is get all of that rubber off so you can see, and if you get it all off and then rewrap it, you ought to be in good shape. But it looks like it's in good shape with all that rubber on there, when in actuality it may not be. So just, if you can force yourself into doing it every once in a while after you've roped a bunch and added more rubber, just cut it all off. You can get some more rubber and stick it back on there and it'll make your dallies nicer anyway. Thanks for watching.